Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the SAT. This is Chapter 8, Lesson 62. Two negatives don't make a right. Today, double negatives. A double negative is two negative words used together in one clause to express a single negative idea. Standard English uses only one negative per idea. The negatives to watch are no, not, including the ent contractions. Never, none, nobody, no one, nothing, and nowhere. Listen, we didn't see no whales. That's two negatives, didn't and no. Fix it two ways. Change one negative to a positive, we didn't see any whales, or drop one, we saw no whales. One negative is plenty. Here's the sneaky part. The words hardly, scarcely, and barely are already negative, even though they don't look it. So pairing them with another negative makes a double negative. Can't hardly wait is wrong. It should be can hardly wait. I haven't barely started should be I have barely started. Treat hardly, scarcely, and barely as full negatives, and never pair them with not or ent. So the fix is simple. Count the negatives in the clause. If there are two, remove one. Either change the second negative to its positive partner, no becomes any, never becomes ever, nothing becomes anything, nowhere becomes anywhere, or simply drop one of the two negatives. Keep exactly one negative per idea and you're set. Let's practice. Decide whether each sentence is correct or a double negative. Pause and try each one before I answer. Many of my friends don't know nothing about birds. Don't and nothing are two negatives, so this is a double negative. I couldn't tell any difference between the two warblers. Couldn't pairs with the positive any, just one negative, so this one is correct. I won't never forget how to tell woodpeckers apart. Won't and never are doubled, so this is a double negative. Three more. Each has a double negative. Choose the wording that fixes it. Owls cannot never move their eyes within their sockets. Cannot and never are doubled. Change never to ever, so the fix is cannot ever move. A duck doesn't have no reason for a sharp beak. Doesn't and no are doubled. Change no to any, so the fix is doesn't have any reason. Some birds don't never fly at all. Don't and never are doubled. Just drop one, so the fix is birds never fly at all. Let's wrap up. A double negative uses two negatives for one negative idea, and Standard English allows only one. Watch the obvious negatives. No, not, never, none, nothing, nowhere, and the sneaky ones, hardly, scarcely, and barely, which are already negative. To fix a double negative, change one negative to its positive partner, like any, ever, or anywhere, or simply drop one. One negative per idea. Great work. In the next lesson, we'll cover misplaced and dangling modifiers.